Infections have become even more deadly due to antibiotic-resistant strains of bacterial pathogens. A new approach devised by students at IIT Roorkee can help tackle this problem. Here's how.
Acinetobacter baumannii tops the global list of critical priority pathogens published by the WHO. In some cases, this multi-drug resistant family of pathogens causes diseases with ICU mortality rate up to 60%. A team of undergraduates at IIT Roorkee has bagged gold medal at iGEM competition 2020 for devising antibacterial protein complexes that kill such bacteria. iGEM is the biggest international event which uses synthetic biology to solve global problems.
The biggest synthetic biology competition, and hundreds of teams all over the world, they work for a year. Typically undergrad students mentored by PhD, MSc and faculty advisors, and they take up a global problem and then use synthetic biology to solve that problem. So this was our first entry of IIT Roorkee at iGEM. And what they chose the problem of antibiotic resistance, which is WHO's top priority global problem. They designed a molecule which works against multiple drug-resistant bacterial infections and won a gold medal.
The protein complex named Secresin by the team attaches itself to the bacterial cell wall and depolarizes it, leading to cell's death. They have a high killing efficiency and a very narrow host spectrum. The process also does not result in development of further resistance in bacteria.
So this novel molecule which we made can bind to the Acinetobacter baumannii and create pores on the surfaces so that the bacteria dies. I think our molecule will really help clinicians and researchers all over the world.
The team had to overcome the restrictions on access to labs posed by the ongoing pandemic. They used computational tools of bioinformatics and machine learning to model the behavior of their novel protein. They plan to carry out this experiment subsequently.
Because of the pandemic, we could not go to our labs. हम लोग अपने घर पे बंद थे and we had to work entirely remotely. And a very important part of our project was to do the experiments and get the results of the protein that we designed and see how it is working. We used bioinformatics and machine learning based approaches to model our protein structure, and we got results which were very interesting, and we got to prove our concept through these tools.
The novel approach can help the healthcare researchers in overcoming a rapidly developing area of severe threat, that is drug-resistant bacteria. Bureau Report, DD News.